Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 taskbar apps grayed out or not working. First method is end taskbar apps. Second method is run commands one by one. Third method is run PowerShell command. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.